season feels incomplete without something warm, crunchy and sweet. And today we are making a true winter superfood, Gud Til Laddoos. Crispy outside, rich inside and loaded with natural energy. These laddoos are made with just a few traditional ingredients but give maximum taste and strength. So let's begin this beautiful winter recipe. Welcome back to Spice and Slice, where simple ingredients create soulful food. Start by heating a pan and adding 1 bowl of white sesame seeds. Dry roast them on medium flame, stirring continuously as soon as the seeds turn light golden and release a nutty aroma. Turn off the flame. Sesame seeds roast very fast, so never leave them unattended. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium, iron and healthy fat. They strengthen bones, support joints and keep the body warm in winters. Let the roasted sesame seeds cool slightly. Now transfer them to a blender and grind them coarsely, not fine. This coarse texture gives your laddu that perfect crunchy bite. Fine powder makes laddus soft, but coarse grind makes them traditional and crisp. Take jaggery and chop it into small pieces. Using a knife, smaller pieces melt faster and help make an even syrup. Jaggery is natural sweetener, rich in iron, improves digestion and boosts immunity, especially helpful during winters. Heat a pan, add a little water, then add the chopped jaggery. Cook on medium flame, stirring continuously until it melts and thickens. Drop a little syrup into water. If it becomes hard, breaks with a crunch, and doesn't stay soft, your jaggery syrup is absolutely ready. Add 1 pinch of baking soda and mix well. This tiny step makes the laddus lighter, crispier and easier to bite. Add the coarsely ground sesame seeds into the hot jaggery syrup. Mix everything quickly and evenly so every seed gets coated beautifully. Once the mixture cools, laddus won't bind properly. While the mixture is still warm, grease your hands lightly and take small portions. Roll them gently into round laddus. Finally, coat each laddu with whole sesame seeds for extra crunch and a beautiful traditional finish. And just like that, your winter special Gud Til Laddoos are ready. Crispy and crunchy, naturally sweet, energy boosting, perfect winter treat for all ages. Enjoy 1 laddu daily and feel the warmth from inside. If you loved this traditional winter recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment. For more easy, authentic and beginner friendly recipes, subscribe to Spice and Slice and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next delicious story.